Hi everyone, how are you doing today? I hope you are having a great day. First of all, thank you so much for your nice and kind comments. I really appreciate you taking time off and watching my videos. That means a lot to me. It is very encouraging, so thanks a lot. Keep watching, okay? I'm here with another fun eye makeup tutorial, and today's theme is Midnight Blue Sky. Yesterday I was working on the videos and it was quite late when I went to bed, almost midnight. I just glanced out and I saw that beautiful sky. It was clear, it was peaceful, quite amazing. Stars were twinkling. In that moment, I got this idea that this is my tomorrow's theme, and I'm going to play with all the shades of blue, especially the dark ones today, and I'm going to pair it up with a twinkling star eyeshadow. Yeah, that's what I want to call it because it just brings smile to my face. Let's get started and let's see the swatches first. There you go. Look at the swatches, all blue. Starting from this shimmery twinkling star shade. Yeah, that is the star of the eye look. And then these shades of blue. Check in your own makeup collection if you have shades of blue, light to dark, shimmery, matte. I am using 3 shimmery shade today and 2 mattes. That's how I'm going to get started today. So first and foremost, my fluffy brush. Yeah, okay, let me name it. Twinkling star shade, light blue, rich blue, midnight blue, and peacock blue. That way it gets easier for me to describe it, starting with my light blue. This shade is also very bright on the transition area, which is above the crease area, starting with this lovely bright blue. Blend it. And it is okay to cover the lid area as well because I'm going to layer on so many colors on top of this blue, so it's all right. Use your fingers as your makeup tool because that way it is quick and easier for me. Done. Next, I'm going to take my midnight blue and right there, along with the lash line, cover the center of the lid, overlapping with that blue as well. Doing the same thing on this eye. I'm using 5 shades of blue. Now I'm going to blend this color, okay? But I'm going to blend this color with this rich blue. Dipping my fluffy brush and I'm going to blend it. Today, a lot of blending. Blend it, layer it, build it. Today, give the blue shades in your makeup collection a chance. Yeah. Next, I'm going to take the peacock blue. Actually, I'm going to use my ring finger and right there on the outer corner of my lid area, dabbing it, and then I will blend it. I want all the colors to have a party on my lid. Right there. This look is pretty special to me because I usually go to bed early, but yesterday I was working on the video and that's when I looked outside the window and saw the beautiful sky. Magical moment. Okay, now blend it again. I told you today a lot of blending. A nice edgy look using my smallest brush and pulling the colors where I want it to be, shearing it out on the transition area and giving it an edgy look near the crease area and also near the outer corner of my lid area. Okay, look at that. Next, I'm going to take my star of the look, this beautiful twinkle star shade, and now I'm going to take my smallest brush. This shade is eye-opening as well because look at that. Everything is pretty smoky and dark from the center of my eyelids to the outer corner. So this is going to give me a nice pop. At the same time, it is going to open my eyes a little. Yeah, my inner corner pop as well. It's a pretty quick look, but it needs a little bit more blending because there are so many shades of blue and all the colors are so gorgeous and rich. Okay, see how brightening that shade is, right? And now I'm going to take my midnight blue one more time and going to pat that shade on the center of my lid one more time. I'm pressing it on the center part of my lid. Look at that richness. Okay, that beautiful smoky richness of that blue. All right, midnight blue shade is done. It got its second chance. Now the twinkle star. Very gently, pinpointed way, connect it with the crease shade and define your eyes, making a half circle here. Okay, all right my friends, now it's time to use a liquid liner, a matte pencil black liner, and curl my lashes, add couple of coats of mascara, and then I will join you for the lower lash line. We'll do something twinkling and magical and smoky on my lower lash line as well. All right my friends, I have curled my lashes, applied couple of coats of mascara, and I really went long with the liner, liquid liner, and I have applied a matte pencil liner on my lower lash line. And now I'm going to take midnight blue shade one more time and going to smudge it a little here and also pair it up with my twinkle star shade and connect it with the midnight blue shade. You can take any shade of blue in your collections, sparkly, shimmery, matte. The deep dark shades of blue will work better when you are creating this look. All right my friends, that's my look and I'm pretty happy with the look. I have achieved what I actually wanted to achieve, and that's why I'm feeling very satisfied and very happy, and thanks to that magical moment when this idea came into my mind and that beautiful sky, twinkling star, everything. So yeah, you go ahead and try this look. Find out the shades of blue in your makeup collection. If it is shimmery, sparkly, that will work, I think, a little better, but you can use the matte shades as well because I have both the combinations in this look, right? So these are the swatches. You saw that I have matte, shimmery, sparkly, all the combinations. You all know that you are welcome to Soma's Makeup Diary to watch fun makeup tutorials. So come back soon. I'll be right here with another beautiful fun makeup tutorial tomorrow. So bye for now. Come back soon. Rock the look. Have fun playing with these shades of blue. Okay, and what do we call this look? midnight blue sky look. Okay, so any color, any midnight blue shade will work for you. Any midnight blue shade will work for you. And if you do not have midnight blue shade in your collection, try playing with all the shades that you have in your makeup collection and create something special to you. That's the message here. Okay, so thank you, have fun.